demonstrated to be an intrinsic aspect of the development of mammals. And earlier studies reported that mammals typically perform play behavior when their primary needs, such as food or shelter or safety, have been met. On the contrary, a reduced engagement in this behavior suggests the presence of physical or physiological or psychological challenges. So we thought that play behavior would be sensitive to these treatments or to the type differences between genetic hybrids. We also found interesting findings that expected, or according to our hypothesis, that weaning pigs in a farrowing pen for loose-housed sows, so avoiding the social mixing and relocation of the pigs to an unfamiliar environment with unfamiliar peers, had a positive effect on the social play after weaning, and also that weaning then in the farrowing pen, and especially the pigs belonging to the Topigs Norsvin hybrid, they displayed a steeper recovery in performance of locomotor play from day 1 to 2. It's true that weaning, regardless of the weaning method or genetic hybrid, was very negative to the welfare of pigs, because all of them had a very dramatic decrease in play behavior, both social play and locomotor rotational play, from the day -1 relative to weaning to the day 1. But then we see a recovery from day 1 to 2, and this recovery was especially greater in pigs weaned in the farrowing pen and the ones belonging to the genetic hybrid with higher birth weight and weaning weight. We can conclude that with this study that weaning stress in pigs may be reduced by using a genetic hybrid featuring higher birth and weaning weight, and by keeping litters intact in a familiar environment after weaning.